acknowledge the mother's love. Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that we all come from our mother. It is very important that we honor them, although not all of us have experienced a mother love. It cannot be avoided that some of us is struggling of something because their mother left them or their mother don't love them. But the most important thing here, whatsoever happening in our life, we all come from a mother. So be grateful and give a special love to your mother as well.